quick note here on a Friday. Do what you can to help others. You have expertise, you have experience. Don't be selfish. Paying it forward is so rewarding, not just emotionally. I don't know if it's a principle of the universe or something, but if you are selfless and if you help others some way or another in ways I can't explain, it comes back to you and it benefits you. We are responsible for the young people in this country, not just our children. Of course, that's the highest responsibility. But if people reach out to you and if you are able to help them, and especially if you can connect them with opportunities, it's one of the highest callings you can have. It's very rewarding. It will change their lives in a way you can't imagine. And you'll probably never hear from them again, and that's okay. Don't think about maybe in 10 years or 20 years from now, they are a CEO at a big company and they can help you. Just help them because you can. Forget about it. Maybe one day in the afterlife, when rewards are dished out, only then you will see how much you meant to them, not even in this life.